3 Russian scientists have been trapped for nearly a week in a remote weather station by hungry polar bears. The charity WWF says 5 bears have settled next to the team's wooden hut on an island in the far north of Russia. The scientists only have flares for protection. Amelia Papadopoulos reports.
Trapped in one of the most remote parts of the world and surrounded by polar bears. For nearly a week, a team of Arctic meteorologists have been stuck inside this remote weather station on the island of Vygazh on the northern edge of Russia. The bears have settled here, and the only equipment the team have is flares, which they've tried to use to scare them away, but it's not worked.
It's not the problem that polar bears here. It is a territory for the polar bears, but the critical situation they have not enough equipment to avoid polar bears.
Polar bear encounters aren't unique to Russia. The town of Churchill in Canada is known as the polar bear capital of the world because the animals often roam on main roads and near residential areas. Scientists believe climate change is forcing the bears to move inland, and that's why we're seeing more of them. But activists blame the oil companies drilling in the Arctic. And today in London, a rather high-profile demonstration led by the actress Emma Thompson.
The polar bear is representative really of the Earth, and the habitat of the polar bear is going, but that's actually not the most terrifying thing. The most terrifying thing is as the Arctic melts, and I've been there and seen it for myself, our own habitat, our own planet is threatened.
Back in Russia, the polar bears show no sign of moving. So for the scientists, well, their research is on hold until help arrives. Amelia Papadopoulos, BBC News.